last lecture we are revising all the chapters which we have studied till now, and yesterday we have started chapter number 1, the fish tank. Okay, so today is our second lecture for revision. So first we will see recapitulation what we have studied in the last lecture. In the last lecture we have seen Indian numeral system, international numeral system, then comparison in both of them. So in Indian numeral system, how many periods are there? 4 periods are there: ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. In ones period there are 3 places: ones, tens, hundred. Then in thousand period there are 2 places: thousand, 10,000. In lakh period there are again 2 places: lakh and 10 lakh. In crore period there are again 2 places: crore and 10 crore. Then in international numeral system we have seen 3 periods. First period is same, ones period, as like Indian numeral system there are 3 places: ones, tens and hundred. Second period is thousands period. There are again 3 places: thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. And third period we have seen million period. There are again 3 places. Which 3 places? Million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay. Then we have seen reading and writing the numbers, 8 and 9 digit number, how to read and how to write, that we have seen. Then where to put the commas according to Indian numeral system and according to international numeral system. In Indian numeral system we put the comma according to period, means we are giving first 3 numbers from the right side, then we are giving comma, then two numbers as a period. Then in international numeral system we place the comma according to period after every 3 numbers starting from the right side. So this we have learned in the last period, last lecture. Now today what we are going to learn is, today's topic is place value, expanded form and standard form. So first we will see place value. What is meant by place value? So every digit has a place. Okay, whenever we are writing any number, okay, 2 digit, 4 digit, 8 digit, 9 digit, whatever is the number, every digit has its own place. Okay, as you are learning from your class 1. Okay, so like that, the place value we are going to learn here. So every digit in a number has a place value. So on which place that digit appears, so that place value we can say. See, place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Means the digit is in which position, whether the digit is in tens position or 100 or lakh or crore. According to that, its place value will change. Okay, now see the next. See here. First we will see 4-digit number. This is a 4-digit number. 3702. So if you will see, this 2 is on the unit place, ones place, 0 is on the tens place, 7 is on the hundred place and 3 is on the thousands place. Okay, so this is on the ones place, this 2 into 1. So what is the place value of this 2? 2. See, place is tens and place value is what? When we will multiply the digit with its place. So place is 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Now 0 is on the tens place. So 0 into 10. As you know, when we multiply any number with 0, we get the answer is 0. So its value is 0. Then 7 is on the 100 place. So 7 into 100, 700. And 3 is on the 1000 place. So 3 into 1000, 3000. So if you will do the addition of these all 4 numbers, you will get this number only. Now let's go to the 6-digit number. This is the 6-digit number, 4, 5, 3, 1, 6, 9. Okay, now here, see 9. 9 is on the unit place, 6 is on the tens place, 1 is on the 100 place, 3 is on the 1000 place, 5 on the 10,000 place and 4 is on the lakh place. So what I told you that how we will get the place value? When we multiply the digit with its place. So whether the place is tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, accordingly we have to multiply the digit as I have shown you here. Okay, now here I am not doing the multiplication, directly I am writing the answer. How? See, ones place is 9 into 1, 9. Tens place, 6 is on the tens place, so 60 into 10, 60. 1 is on the 100 place, so 1 into 100, 100. 3 is on the 1000 place, so 3 into 1000, 3000. 5 is on the 10,000 place, so 5 into 10,000 is equal to 50,000. And 4 is on the lakh place, so 4 into lakh means 4 lakh. Okay, now see here, this is the 7-digit number. What is the number? 2,25,86,791. Now if we want to find out the place value of 8, then first we have to see that 8 is in on which place. Where is 8? What is the place of 8? So first we will start from right side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Yesterday I have shown you how the places are there in the Indian numeral system. So 8 is on the 10,000 place. So 8 into 10,000, 80,000. So directly if we will be asked the place value of any digit, so we can tell by multiplying that digit with the place. So what is the place value of 8 is 80,000. Like this we can say tell the place value of each and every digit. Okay, now see what is the place value and face value. There is a difference between place value and face value. What is meant by face value? So see children, now how do you recognize the people according to their faces? Okay, suppose all the teachers which you are teaching, math teacher, English teacher, EVS teacher, all are standing in one line. And you are new in the class. Only 2 days you have learned in the class. Then how you will identify the teacher that she is my math teacher, she is my English teacher, she is my English teacher? How? By the face only. So like that only face value means what? Whatever the number appears, what we are seeing, that is the face value of the number. So place value and face value, there is the difference. Now see here, what is the number? 53046 means 53,046 is the number. Now what is the face value of this? So the face value of 6 is 6 only. Face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 0 is 0. Face value of 3 is 3. And face value of 5 is 5 only. Now what about place value? Already I told that we have to multiply the digit along with its place. Then we will get the place value. So here face value of 6 is 6 and place value is 6 because it is on the ones place. Now look at 4. The face value of 4 is 4 only, but its place value is different because it is on the another place. It is not on the ones place. It is on the tens place. So 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Now here 0. So face value and place value of 0 is same because any number we will multiply with 0, we get the answer 0 only. Now see the 3. The face value of 3 is 3 only. Okay, and the place value of 3 is 3 into 1000, 3000. Then face value of 5 is 5 and place value of 5 is 5 into 10,000 is equal to 50,000. So this is the difference between place value and face value. So now next topic is expanded form. What is meant by expanded form? Means we have to expand a number, means we have to make it bigger. Okay, now see expanded form or expanded notation is a way of writing numbers to see the max value of individual digits. Okay, when numbers are separated into individual place values and decimal places, they can also form a mathematical expression. Okay, now this mathematical expression, you will study it in your class 6. Okay, and decimal places you will learn in the next term or in next class also. Now see here, what is meant by expanded form? It is also called expanded notation. So how we will get the expanded form? Earlier we have seen how we get the place value by multiplying the digit with its place. So when we will write it in the addition format, then we will get the expanded form. Now see the example here, 5,325. So how we will write? So first we have to find out the place value of each digit. Just now we have seen how to find out the place value. So here, now we will start from left side. So what is the place value of 5? First find out where the place of 5. So which is the place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So place of 5 is 1000. So 5 into 1000, 5000. So 5000 is the place value. Now what is the place value of 3? It is on the 100 place. So 3 into 100 is equal to 300. Where is 2? 2 is on the tens place. So 2 into 10 is equal to 20. And where is 5? 5 is on the unit place, ones place. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So these all are the place values of these digits. Then when we will add this, we will get this number. So this notation which we have written in the addition format, means place value in the addition format. It is called nothing but expanded form. And this addition, whatever answer we are getting, it is called standard form. Let us see next slide, then you will understand better. See here, we begin with expanded form and change it to the way we normally write the number. For example, see one more example here, 3 into 1000. So you can write the expanded form in the both the ways, direct addition of the place value, or like this also, 3 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 4 into 1 can be changed to 3000 and 500 and 7 tens and 4 ones. Means you can write in three ways. Like this also, 3000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 4, or like this also by in the multiplication and addition notation, or like this 3000 plus 500 plus 7 tens or 4 plus 4 ones. Okay, so do the addition and you get the number 3574, which is the standard form. Okay, as I told you that we are going to learn expanded form and standard form. So see here, expanded form. In expanded form we write the number by showing the value of each digit. So see the number 7294. See 4 on the ones place, so its value is 4. Place value is 4. 9 on the tens place, so its place value is 90. 2 is on the 100 place, so its place value is 200. 7 is on the 1000 place, so its place value is 7000. So 7000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 4. This is called expanded form. And when we write the addition or answer, it is called the standard form. Okay children, so hope you understood what is meant by expanded form and what is meant by standard form. Now see, write in standard form and in words. Okay, now this question is given to you. 30,000, 7,800 plus 3. Now you have to write in the standard form. Now you know its value is 3, means it is on the ones place. Now after 3 again here 800. So tens place is empty here. Nothing is there on the tens place. Directly 100 place is given. 800 means what? 8 into 100. Means obviously 8 will be on the 100 place. So 3 on the ones place. Nothing is there on the tens place. So we have to write 0. And 8 is on the 100 place. So we have written 8 on the 100 place. Then 7,000 means 7 into 1000. So what will be the place of 7 is 100. Sorry, 1000 place. And 30,000 means 3 into 10,000. So what will be the place of 3 is 10,000 place. So see here, 3 on the ones place, 0 on the tens place, 8 on the 100 place, 7 on thousands place, and 3 on 10,000 place. Now see here, comma we have given. So this is the ones period. See here periods, and this is the thousand period, 1000 and 10,000 as we have studied. Okay, and when we add these all, we are getting the number 37,803. So this is the standard form and this is the expanded form. And how we write the number now? 37,803. So here tens place is empty. Nothing is there on the tens place. So hope children you understood today's topic, place value, expanded form and standard form. Okay, in the next lecture we will start the second chapter and I will be giving one worksheet based on this previous lecture and this lecture, and this worksheet will be only for the children who has sent earlier all 14 assignments which we have sent from March to 9th May. We are sending all the assignment from 27th of March to 9th May. So who has sent all those assignment of math, to them only I am going to send this worksheet based on this revision. So as early as possible, who has not send it to my mail ID pallavijoshi@gmail.com for class 5th A, and for class 5th B, C, D you have to send to Tanuja Miss on tanuja.nayak@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a nice day and be safe.